breaks. Boy, you fi dead, so me aim for your face. I'm sex life mash up cause I catch in my teeth.
Oh, Kanikla! The man say your taste pum pum dog. The man say bomba clat. Kanikla that hot in that. Kanikla you better. Bola no, me need for cool down. Take Coca-Cola dog. Kanikla the man say you do what? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, supporters of Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss, we are here to celebrate the death. Yo, today I'm a HypeMan. We're not even a reaction channel today, people. But first and foremost, we have some people who want big up specifically who comment on my video them. You don't know what things that I'm telling, so yo, I'm gonna show to know specifically if you want to comment a certain thing. And I'm a man of my words. So first and foremost, I have to say big up to Perico, I don't know, Forrester. Big up yourself. Reaction Boss, up and out. Who is there? What them? Find them. And then I'm not itching today. No itching. What them there? Send them coming out down a town, people. Big up Mooney and Tai. You don't know chap. Big up Nash Cool. Big up yourself. Big up Nash Cool again. Big up Boss Lady. Big up that Dan Dada Gun. Big up yourself, bro God. Big up Novert. So that Sarom. Big up yourself, bro God. Big up Thomas Official. Big up yourself, bro God. Where's the where them there? Outside, yeah. Big up SL7 emoji, yeah. Alright, yeah. Big up all on, as me I say, big up Money and Tata, right there for you there. Alright, we're there now with the reaction, people. The HypeMan has entered the chat. Jahmiel, you subscribe to the channel, people. Comment on the video for some name in the next video. I don't know the chap already. Ready now? Run it.
You know, see them just a boost for dead.
Yeah.
Dumpty one for sure.
Yo, the man say they must a boost up a head for dead, dog. They must boost you for the killer, dog. Yo, where's the tune, dog?
Send me killer them for shoot up in men.
Yeah. Yo, the man say. The man I go send him kill him for come and shoot up the ends. You see if you answer the man, dog, a torture. You better answer the man, dog. You see me, I say. Me I think I say 40. Run through.
Me them a pre me use the matic.
Yeah.
You to suck it to the right time to get dead car.
Yeah.
Road no traffic.
Bomba. Well, Kanikla. You see the man nasty up your face, Kanik. You better answer the man, Kanikla. Me I think I say 40 one word, dog. The man say, you sang name pre, no Kanikla. You would man chat. Kanikla, if you answer the man, dog, get dead like that. Answer the man. Run through. Run through.
Patriots.
Yeah.
Pussy talk straight, come and know your beat. 3, 5,
7,
7.
You're not gonna make him deal with your son, dog. You're gonna make the man call you a mate. The man say, pussy, you better talk straight. You're gonna deal. Kanika, if you don't answer the man, dog, you get gunshot. Hey, Kanika, we know say very little and versatile, but right now, Jahmiel, nasty up your face, for you, dog. You better answer the man, dog. Run through here, man.
Did not get no long, me a wait for you making mistake.
Kanika, the man say make a mistake if you gonna answer him, bro, God. Yo, you have to answer back the man now, bro, God. I think I say 40 more word. People, Jahmiel nasty up Kanikla face, Right now, I'm the HypeMan for the war. Right now, I want Kanikla answer the man. You think me I say? What I gonna do? Don't rush. Run through.
Why you fi dead, so me aim for your face. I'm sex life mash up cause I catch in my teeth.
Oh, Kanikla! The man say your taste pum pum, dog. The man say, bomba clat! Kanikla, that hot in that. Kanikla, you better. Bola, no, me need for cool down. Take Coca-Cola, dog. Kanikla, the man say you do what? Bomba rascal. Ready tune.
Madness forever. Fuck what tears.
Yeah.
How if a dream when the killers them awake.
Bomba clat. No. Kanikla, me still like it. Kanikla, even answer them man, now no Kanikla touch, now no dog. Kanikla, you better answer the bomba clip, man. Daddy, no. War at. People, as you know, vlogger them would have said dance and nice again. I'm a reaction channel, You see me react to music video. But for today, for the warrior, anytime the wars and them drop, me a HypeMan. Hey, if a man this and I got this a panta pie too. Make you have your answer. You better answer the man. Run through.
Then you put a foot. Jolly corner touch a knife when them a cook. Slaughter the fat fucker when them friend a look.
Oh no, he called you a fat fuck. Kanika, you better answer the man. Hey, it's if you not answer the man, you want soft soap. And we all know say you don't want soft soap in a labas. Labas, you know say you're general long time in a labas. A labas. Answer the blood clot man in a labas, cause we are waiting in a labas. You can't make Jahmiel a nasty face, so dog. Man, I shooting in your fat fuck face, dog. Yo, remember Jahmiel come with the people. You man, family guy. You man, they call you fat fuck. Bumbo clan, listen to
Shit and then me left him friend and puke. To me them smaller than the microchip, me sicker than the psychotic. You die so quick the break.
Well now wait, and why Jahmiel start rapping them boy now? No man, to be the suffer than the blah 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 blah. No man, him too bad. People if I say bad more to the comments and say comment section say like how bad. No family says no dog, but I be badness. Me can do whatever me want to wire so run through door. Yo, stop ramping the bomber clat. Hey, you know, ramping the program on the phone. Running through.
What's a knife you pick? Shot a breath, we know you can go run your nana dynamic.
Yeah.
I want to Mr. Butch.
Man, I call you fat now. You call you fat because but the man does call you fat a while ago, brother. The man say you have shot a break, you can't go run. Right now, can you call the man a nasty? Can you figure answer the man, brother? Can you figure answer? People, hold on, calm it down. I like the tint. So I go on. Well, I want to realize I'm a carrot tint now. Blood clot. It dark. We can't get some. Whoa. Yeah, baby. In the car. You see this? Whoa. Dark as. Hey, midnight too. Red June.
Pine a lip. Me know each one me for kill pussy. Bow power cut and need for pay your bill pussy.
Oh. Can you get the man saying another light in your ass? Can you have to answer the man now, bro? God. You can't. Yo, Chronicler. If you don't answer Jahmiel, no dog, me can't make little singer Jahmiel like this up here the curve with your face, so brother. Man, I rub up 10,000 stamping in your face, no Chronicler. Chronicler. Jahmiel is running you down. Don't run from him. Stand up and thump him back in them face. Run tune.
Couldn't war them want to bring to me. The song the wicked even injure me.
Bombo play, Chronicler, the man call you priest and weak, dog. The man run out by you, dog, and said that example, no bro, God. You see me as a Chronicler, and then the man said pretty weak. After pretty full of so much lyrics. Chronicler, him right, Chronicler, I'm right, sir. The man said pretty weak in a Chronicler. After you put so much lyrics and time into pre in a dog. Tell me, son, I'm one of the bright. Jahmiel, how you full of so much attitude? How what Chronicler do to you? Bamba, Clara, John.
357 ton in Medina gate. No long me a wait till you make a mistake.
Chronicler, the man say make mistake in the dog. My youth, you man go for the 357, that man go for the 357, Bamba, man go for the gun, the man go for the youth. Dog, Coca-Cola. We need to cool down. That's on your hot. Woo! It's on your hot. That's you need to go to do a little bit now. No, dog. Go to do a little bit. Don't put this a little bit. Bomba clot. Still, it's a little bit more. Just little bit. It's too hot. You cool off yet? Alright, coming back in the car now. Cause people that know the dog. Lucky door. Lucky door. Ready now, run tune.
Yes, up so number that drop breaks. Why you fi dead so me aim for your face? Me sex life mash up cause I catches in my teeth.
That part is just hot. Chronicler, make sure I say lie. The boy I tell you, Chronicler. And if I lie, I tell, when you jump into the yes, and I say, you tell lie for me. You tell lie for me. You see me, I say. Yeah, man, someone going away, someone energetic in up people. You don't know what's happening. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe for the subscribe to the dog. Because we have a bag of things that going over here, so brother. I like all the bumbo clip with the from now. If you don't like it yet. Because Chronicler, I go answer him back, you know. Chronicler, I go answer the boy back in the Chronicler. Because that boy had to bomba. You're run tune.
Badness forever. Fuck what taste. How if a dream when the killers them awake? Then if for me them want forward that on the simple task.
Hold on. In all nice segment that me hear Jahmiel say, yo, after I'm rub up my boy face, oh, matter, I tell me the man, Bamba clot. Me never heard that message until now, you know. Yo, Jahmiel, you too bad in the dog. Me the things I want to singer, me think I want to reggae artist, dog. No, dog. Me the things I want to reggae artist in the brother with us. Easy, and easy 1, 2, 3. We me just smoke a gal. You see me, I say things at them levels, but the man comes to us a robot.
Think it off, corner bus, skin lift off. Think we soft, me no fire this for Mr. Art. The grizzly clad, tear him up and mix the parts.
Oh my gosh. That song is too hot. That song is too hot. Hey, You say if you don't want some more reaction like all these people, I want to subscribe to the channel from now, you know. I want to like all the video, you know. Because see any song which I put on the warrior, yo, me go change from the reaction boss to the HypeMan, brother. Me the official war HypeMan. You see me I say the official war, official dancehall bumbleclot war, HypeMan. Welcome to the Blood Clot channel now. Welcome to the HypeMan channel. You see me I say, me go hype up everybody. How this song I do though. Me go hype it up. Come on, do war, go on. Cause quarantine and stay home, so quarantine and blood clot clash. You see me I say, someone want the man them say so dog, alright, be a song. Don't care if it flop, me go there for hype up it bumbo clot. Drop the song there, run through now.
Tell a pussy don't try test the boss. If the violence for start, no gun silence the talk. Me, myself and I.
The man say people start, dad, I'm gonna go silence. Yeah, you know what people? Me go tell me video. I'll see the worst of the song. It's just, this is the worst of the song in the cast. Right about now, no dog. Me don't know what credit clock I do in the dog after Jahmiel song come kick out him front teeth them in the dog. Jahmiel song kick out the whole man front teeth, the whole go to the dog. Bomba clock, dog. Yo! People, this is just for entertainment purposes only. You see me, I say. Why?
Let the walk. Forensic, try get the chalk. Straight, no you're paid. 357 me.
Yeah man, this song done. I repeat the course on 10,000 more times. People want to think about Jahmiel song. I remember people before you come go on in the comment section like some big fat pump all woman. It is just for entertainment purposes. I hope you all enjoyed it. So, but if you are a big fat pump all woman, go on in the comment section and go and chase like you're a big fat pump all woman. You see me I say? But for me, I entertainment. And for my friends them know I go on, I enter bumbleclatainment. Big up on yourself. No one have vote for the reaction boss, the HypeMan, or Tyrekevlogs. You see me a bumbleclate say, yeah. Girl for gun program. Big up yourself, King Tad. Happy. Well, out here in the bro God. Alright, I'm back again. You have watched and enjoyed the full video, right? Now what I want you guys to do is touch the head, right here, so. The head, the circle, and subscribe to my girlfriend, me and my girlfriend channel, the couple channel, MONII and Ty. Subscribe, right? Touch the head right there and subscribe. Big up yourself.